plot to kill terrorist Gurpatwan Singh Pannun. Nikhil Gupta has been pleaded guilty to 3 criminal charges. A spokesperson has said this. Nikhil Gupta, his 54-year-old, pleaded guilty to murder for hire, conspiracy to commit murder for hire and conspiracy to commit money laundering as well, which carries a maximum combined sentence of 40 years in prison. Now, this is the latest that we are getting as far as the plot to kill a terrorist Pannun is concerned. A man named Nikhil Gupta has pleaded guilty to 3 criminal charges is what we are learning. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Bhavtosh, who's been tracking all the details. Bhavtosh, take us through who this man really is, because we're learning that he has pleaded guilty to the 3 criminal charges, and that relates to pleading guilty to murder for hire, conspiracy to murder for hire, and conspiracy to commit money laundering as well. Take us through the latest.
Well, as far as his role in this entire case is concerned, he's one of the central characters of the person of interest as far as the FBI is concerned. But he's a Delhi-based businessman. The investigation that has been conducted both here in India as well as in US is that he's a person who has drug charges against him. And these drug charges were between 2006 and 2008. Now, that's what we have gathered from various indictment orders that were filed against him. And he got in touch with an Indian government employee, a person who was working for Indian intelligence agencies, who goes by the name of Vikas Yadav. Now, when Vikas Yadav got in touch with him in 2022, he in fact wanted to make sure that Gurpatwan Singh Pannun, who is a designated terrorist, he should be killed in New York. And Nikhil Yadav told him that he had persons, or at least he knows assassins who would do this work. Now, in 2023, he in fact made a wire transfer of around $15,000 in New York. But the person who took the money was actually an agent of DA. And then the entire conspiracy was unearthed. In June 2023, in Prague, Nikhil Gupta was arrested. He was extradited in October 2024. And yesterday, he pleaded guilty. Now, we don't know what would be the sentence. But in May this year, the trial or the point of sentence will be given.
All right, so he's a Delhi-based businessman who has pleaded guilty. This is a case related to the plot to kill this terrorist, but of course the plot was unsuccessful. Thanks so much, Bhavtosh, for getting us all those details.